So this is the repository I want to clone. So I want to clone the hello world repository. So this is the repository I want to clone, guys. Okay. So this is the repository I want to clone. So copy this URL, and you can select the, you can go to the here, and first what you need to do, so go to the manage Jenkins. So manage Jenkins, you need to install the GitHub plugin. So you need to install the GitHub plugins. In the plugins, you need to install the GitHub available installed plugins. Available plugins, GitHub. We need to install the Git, right? So Git install. Install the Git, right? What is that, guys? Jenkins CACD. This is the URL. Yeah, local version Git, GitHub has distributed version control system, Jenkins, and so Maven is the build tool, Ansible, Docker. So to create the Docker files, build with Ansible. So yeah, what is a continuous delivery? So we need to install the, yeah, set up the Linux, install the Java, install the Jenkins. Done, right? So the next, access the web UI. Yeah, we already access the web UI. So then, so then, uh, install the Jenkins. Yeah, we install the Jenkins. We'll install the Java. Join. Done. Yes. So this is the dashboard. So we access the dashboard. So hello world. Yeah. So install the Git on the Jenkins. Install the GitHub plugin on the Jenkins GUI. So configure Git on the Jenkins GUI. So Git version. So yeah. So we will install the, yeah, Git plug on the yum install Git. Yes, installed. We Git is installed. Installed Git plugin on the Jenkins GUI. So in the available plugins, just install the Git. Just install the Git. Yeah, once you install the Git, so yeah, installation done, right? Then configure the Jenkins. Manage Jenkins, dashboard, go to the dashboard, and so configure the Jenkins, guys. Yeah, configure the Git Jenkins dashboard global tool configuration. So you want to configure the Jenkins, right? For configuring the Jenkins, so we need to go to the manage Jenkins, and and configure the Git. So configure the Git. Yeah, here, guys. Here we need to provide the Git default Git. Yeah, default Git. So save. So yeah, Git path is path. Then you can create a new Java freestyle project. First, First GitHub, first GitHub project. So what is this, guys? So yeah, we configured the Git. So then yeah, pull GitHub code. So for example, pull GitHub code. So freestyle project, guys. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, description. Pull GitHub code from the GitHub repository. So this is the description, guys. So go to the Git. So in the Git source code management, so before it is not enabled, now it is enabled. The repository. So where is the repository? Your repository. This is hello world repository. You guys can copy this repository. Okay, paste it here. So this is a public repository, right? No need to give the credentials. No need to give the credentials. No need to provide everything. Just apply and save. Apply and save it. Now your job is created. The dashboard, the